our channel, It's Rhea Travel, and we are here at Buffet Town in Green Hills. So we are going to check out or try their buffet lunch. Their lunch starts at 11 a.m. hanggang 2 o'clock p.m. And by the way, kung may sasakyan kayo and namumroblema kayo sa parking, they have free valet parking here. So wala kayong hindi. You just have to drop here and then, ayun, yun na. So you can do reservations because we did an Eatigo reservation, 50% off yung in-avail namin. But they have 20 and 30, depende sa oras. Pero kami, 50% at 1 o'clock p.m. So yun lang. Yun lang yung available yata, parang ganun. Better to book a day ahead kasi syempre, napupuno yung slot, parang limited slot lang sila ang dati mo. So marami 20, 30, pero yung 50 talagang very limited lang. So, of course, success kami kasi na-avail namin yung 50%. So, now, we're going to... So, free valet service here at Buffet Town. Iiwan nyo lang yung sasakyan nyo. We're going to provide this. So, let's go inside! Okay guys, we're going inside to check the food. Sobrang laki itong area na to. So pagbungad mo, you are going to see this. Go around that. Tonkatsu. Tama ba? Or you can get it na? Oy! Ang kasama ko for this food trip, the kambal. Katsudon with rice na to. You want? Teriyaki don. Masarap din to na. Okay, get one. Masarap din yan. Teriyaki don and suka. Tama ba? Dito sa area. Dito. O sige. Gusto ko yun, oh. Ito, oh. So, this one is done. Tapos na to, kuya?
Hindi, ma'am. Malamig kasi yun, ma'am. Ibibigyan namin kinakas na.
Okay. Okay, sige. Ito, and then ito, kuya.
Rose patek order naman si ma'am. May timpura din sila, ma'am.
Oo.
Paano ko lang dyan?
Ano ba order?
Chicken yakitori.
Ilang sticks na?
3. And then this one.
Ilang egg na?
Ano ba? Per stick or this
Per
isang
stick
serve?
naman.
Tatlo. Tatlo, no? Okay. Tatlo.
Ano pa, ma'am?
Ano pa ba ang available?
We have a gizzard, ma'am, mushroom, corn, okra, and beef, ma'am.
Ay, yung beef na lang. Beef tenderloin. Tatlo din.
Cable number nila, ma'am.
37. Thank you, ate. Okay. Okay, this one. Ah, ito din, oh. Stepan, kuya. Ah, ikaw din yun, ate.
Yes, ma'am. Mixed seafoods, ma'am.
Mixed seafood, Stepan. So, magpapagrill kayo dito or magpapaluto kayo. Anything. Ito din. And
Isang
then,
tapan, ma'am. Yasay, ma'am.
yasay.
Sa
Veggie
order din,
use,
ma'am.
ano?
Yes,
Oo.
ma'am.
Sige,
Sa
isa din.
order din, ma'am.
Oo.
How about the pork mushroom, ma'am?
Oh, sige, sige, please. Thank you. Okay. Okay, ito, mga maki. I like maki na. Get maki for me. Let's try. Let's try mga maki. Merong may birthday. Japanese section to. Spicy magurkali salad. Okay, Caesar salad. Kuya, available to? I can get this? Okay. So, Caesar salad. Let's get one. Hawakan nyo na ka. Meron akong kasama ngayong ano, spicy. Okay. So, let's eat na muna, no? Let's go. They have 4 soups for the shabu-shabu. Ano yan, kuya?
First one po, meron po kami house broth, which is ang flavor po niya is pork and mushroom. Meron po kami sukiyaki, kung gusto niyo po na medyo may tamis po yung soup niyo. Third one, meron po kami tomato mushroom soup, kung may po kayo sa veggies. And lastly, meron po kami spicy kimchi.
Ah, okay. I think yung ano, sweet. Medyo sweet. Oo. Yun na lang, medyo sweet. Oo. Okay. Bakit yan? Hindi kayo na chopsticks? Eh, put it in your plate. Come on. Put it in your plate. Yan. Hindi ba?
Like na to eh.
Okay. Sorry. It's our first time here, so hindi natin alam kung ano. Bagay-bagay. Nag-a-adjust tayo. So, kumuha kami na itong mga ano na to, appetizers. Pero sa kanila main na. Ito yung mga seafood. Seafood to na ko. Gusto ko siya isama sa ano. This one. Yeah, you can get the... No, it's okay. Just get this so para ano na natin. Do it yourself. You can get the ano, dessert box na. Diba? Oh, pili na kayo kung anong gusto nyo kuhain.
Salam? Kaya mo lang.
Yeah, one of each. Gusto ko to. Ube flan. Fruits mamaya na. Tiramisu. Okay. Jelly. Gusto niya to? Cream puff muna. But it's strawberry. Pero you like strawberry, di ba? Salang.
Ito muna.
Matcha. Cheesecake. Uy! Oh my gosh, creme brulee.
Ano yan?
Para siyang ano, leche flan pero masarap na tamis. Dalawa yan na. I like creme brulee. Okay. What else? 2? Oh, cute naman. So, ito. Gusto ko ito ilagay. Wala na nalagyan. Ano lang tray. Okay. Kuha si kuya ng bago. So, maraming pagkain. So, ito na yung aming buong area. Daming food. Grabe.
Ha?
Daming food, no? Ang hirap ay analyze kung ano. Pero they serve pala. You don't have to get plates na, no? Super dami na rin nakuha namin. I think first batch pa lang to. And of course, ang cute na ano nila, dessert, ano.
Ito eh. Ay, apat pala.
Apat nga.
Ay, shock.
Of course, kasama natin ang kambal dahil Bakasyon na. Walang pasok.
Ay, siomay.
Pag dalawa ulit.
Pwede ko operate na.
Kaya na yun. Ang kapag Caesar salad. Kuya, pahina. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, another supply of lechon.
Nakalimutan ko yung stand ko.
Lalagyan mo dito.
Ano?
Lechon sauce.
Chicken? Chicken? Oh? Ano to? Really siya? Ano to?
Chicken. Okay, you wanna taste it? I think walang lasa. Kaya lang, may mga sauce kasi dun eh, di ba? Na pwede mo ilagay. Ayan na.
Ito chocolate. Ito tubig.
We are going to try this. Okay, mag-try tayo nito. Ayan. Ano meron? Ay, chili yan, kuya.
Konti lang mo naman yung cheese.
Okay. Thank you, kuya. Special sauce. Ito.
Ano?
Special sauce for this. Try natin. Thank you. Okay. We're gonna try this. Which one? Ang laki. Ang sarap nito. The shrimp, masarap. Maki, masarap din. And of course, ito try natin. The kids are enjoying. Absent yung tatay. Sarap din ang ano nila. Tempura, malaman. This one. Masarap din ang... Everything masarap actually. Masarap din yung kanilang lechon. Their drinks. They have green tea, winter melon, lemon grape, yogurt drink, chocolate drink, peach juice, and strawberry lychee juice. So maraming choices of drinks. And then sa likod, they have coffee. Okay. So Americano. Available lahat yan, kuya. Cappuccino latte and chocolate espresso, etc. So ayun. Strawberry lychee. What's yours? Winter melon? You, Alec. What's yours? Cheers. Cheers. We're eating the creme brulee now. Ang galing ng production team ko. Ang sarap. I like creme brulee. Japan? Ang sarap nito, naubos na. Ito this one. Harap ka. Everything masarap. This sauce, yung pwede lang iuwi. Ang sarap.
Sige, may chicken dito.
Desserts. Yeah, ang cute ng mga ano nila. Get the tray na. Thank you. Chocolate.
Nagmamadali? Di naman.
Yeah, the big one. Ayan na. Kukuha pa ako ng dessert eh. Black sesame roll. Kukuha pa kasi ako ng dessert. Or you want some ano pa? Chocolate pa? Okay na yan. Ate, isang chocolate pa.
Kuko na yan.
Chocolate lang.
Tic-tac-toe.
Oh, blue. Oo. Thank you. Tada. Equal na. Nak, tito. Okay, I'm gonna get this. Okay, blue. No, this one, grapes. I don't know. Check natin. Ay, ito na. Ay, coffee jelly at saka panakota. Panakota pala yun, ha. I like the panakota. Let's get one pa. Okay. Tiramisus. And this one. Okay, malapit na mapuno. You like that? Panakot. Ay, tiramisu. Slide. Get one. Okay. May nabuo ba?
Oh!
Okay.
Nakakasaray ka.
Section. Section. Trying their black sesame.
Sisay. The black sisay. That looks so good. Ayaw mo? No.
Black? Panakota. Panakota. Trying their panakota. I like panakota. Pero kita ko kung panakota talaga mo ng ice cream. Akin na kayo.
Yun ang ice cream.
Reinvent panakota.
Ice cream.
Ay, ang sarap.
Pa na ice cream.
Oh my God. Try it.
Cream cotta.
Tikman niyo, promise.
The cream cotta.
So guys, we are here at Buffet Town here in Green Hills. So bago lang itong place na to. They offer Japanese, Korean, and a lot more. So okay siya, maraming selections, maraming food choices, and then maraming desserts. Masarap yung mga pagkain nila. The price is 1,199, but we purchased it through Eatigo. So we got the 50% discount. Kaya ang binayaran na lang namin ay 600 para something like that. Plus, they have the service charge lang. So, ang total ng binayaran namin ay 1,888. So, for 3 na yun na. So, naka-discount ka na kasi dapat 3,000. Parang tama ba? Diba? Oo. Parang 3,000 plus supposedly yung babayaran mo. So, this is a great deal. You can check this out. Ang lunch nila is 11 to 2 o'clock p.m. And ang dinner nila 6 o'clock onwards yata, parang something like that. So, we'll check later. Or we'll post the details here. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and of course hit the notification bell to keep you updated. Bye!